Shark's next-generation Navigator vacuum includes the 0M self-cleaning brush roll to deliver non-stop hair removal. Its lightweight design and above-floor lift-away technology makes it easy to clean stairs, furniture, and other above-floor areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology ensures dust and allergens do not escape from the vacuum back into the air you breathe. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability on both floors and carpets, allowing for seamless debris pickup in hard-to-reach areas.
And today, I am so excited to tell you about the high-performance pet vacuum. So we all know life with kids and pets can get beyond messy, with all that fur and dirt and glitter and almost anything else you can think of getting all over the house. And that's where the high-performance pet comes in. It's Hoover's best cleaning bagless vacuum with all the powerful suction I need to keep up with life, combined with exclusive WindTunnel 3 technology. Now, when I clean, there's no going over the same spot again and again, like I have with other vacuums. It's got an incredibly effective quick pass brush roll, meaning I can clean all that daily debris up to 2 times faster. And I can get to those out-of-reach messes I often forget to clean, like here on the vent, the cracks on the couch, and even fur left by Buddy. It really is a must-have for busy homes. Plus, Hoover thought of everything. HEPA filtration, a large dirt cup, and even a 40-foot power cord to go almost anywhere. It's like they made it just for me and my family. So give the Hoover High Performance Pet a shot. I think you'll love it as much as I do.
Dyson Ball Animal has the strongest suction of any vacuum. Its self-adjusting cleaner head automatically adjusts to seal in suction across all floor types. And its brush bar digs deep into carpets to remove more dirt. Radial root cyclone technology helps remove dust, dirt, and allergens from your home. And with whole machine HEPA filtration, no other vacuum expels cleaner air. It rides on a ball, which means it steers smoothly, turns on the spot with a simple twist of the wrist, and cleans along edges with ease. With a wand and hose that release in one action, the Dyson Ball Animal is easy to use for cleaning up high, and extra tools clean dirt and hair from awkward places. Dyson vacuums are tested under extreme conditions and are engineered to last 10 years.
Introducing the amazing Kenmore Intuition, the revolutionary, powerful, lightweight upright vacuum with a complete allergen seal system featuring no-touch emptying, no more dust plumes or cleanouts, and no mess. When you're ready to empty, it's just push and release. That's cleaner cleaning.
You don't really touch the bag, you just simply press the button and it comes right out.
The secret to a cleaner clean is the Kenmore Intuition's exclusive Allergen Seal HEPA filtration bag and capture seal, where dust particles and allergens go in, and even when you empty, they don't get out.
The Intuition is a perfect vacuum for our family. We have a million things to clean up already. The more we can simplify, especially cleaning, I need a good vacuum that's gonna make it quick and easy for me. And the Intuition is so easy. It simplifies my life and makes cleaning easier, faster, and cleaner.
With the Intuition's revolutionary no-touch disposal, there is no dust plume and no hand cleaning ever.
Just push a button and it released the bag directly into the trash can.
Watch how Kenmore's unique PowerFlow technology compacts debris as its vacuum, so you empty far less often. In fact, the Allergen Seal bag holds up to 4 times as much as a conventional dust cup. And Kenmore's 1100-watt motor maintains powerful suction, even as the bag fills, pulling soil, dust, and allergens from deep down in your carpet and sealing them tight.
The suction is strong. I know it's going to do the job, and I can trust that it's going to pick up the mess that my kids and my cats leave behind.
And thanks to the Intuition's built-in lift-up convenience and versatility, above-the-floor cleaning is effortless. Now, getting to hard-to-reach places where dirt can hide, like ceiling fans, corners, mantles, shades, windowsills, and more, is a breeze. And the Intuition weighs only 8 pounds in lift-up mode, so cleaning stairs is a whole lot easier and faster.
I have some nooks and crannies that I didn't have to move everything and still do a great job of cleaning and picking up that dust.
From multiple floor surfaces, to the bag, to the trash, The Intuition's amazing, powerful suction, capacity, triple filtration technology, and exclusive allergen seal with no-touch emptying means you can get cleaner cleaning for your home and for your family. The Kenmore Intuition is everything you dreamed a vacuum should be while delivering a cleaner clean than you've ever seen.
avoid damaging the cord, place the cord in the cord holder on the unit. Press the red power switch with your foot to turn on your vacuum. Press it again to turn it off once you're finished cleaning. Press the recline pedal to lean your vacuum back for cleaning convenience. To get even lower, press the recline pedal a second time. Once finished, lean your unit all the way back up to lock it into the upright position. You can easily raise or lower your vacuum to adjust to different flooring types by simply turning the knob to the desired floor setting. If the vacuum is too difficult to push, change to a higher setting. Your new PowerForce Helix vacuum not only does a great job on your floors, it also comes with a complete set of accessory tools to make your above-floor cleaning jobs easier. In the upright position, pick your accessory tool that best fits your needs and attach it to the end of the hose.